First, I appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. So, quick one. This is an LG washing machine that has worn out bearings, completely worn out. So the machine is making very loud noise when spinning. Listen, if you have a washing machine that has worn out bearings, or it's making noise when spinning, yet it's stable, the dampers are okay, do not use the machine. Get a professional to have a look at it. Certainly that is an issue with the bearings. So look, this one here, it was in use continuously, being used with the worn out bearings. Now when this happens, it starts leaking from the seal. This is what water does to your motor. This is the starter, and this is the magnetic rotor. So you check, because of that grinding, because the drum is misaligned, it has eaten up the magnetic plate. Now look at this, because of friction, avoidable, you see. So this machine needs bearings, seal, starter, the Hall sensor that balances the magnets on the rotor, and it also needs the rotor. If you do the maths, the complete motor, bearing, seal, and all that plus labor, that's very expensive, very expensive, and it's avoidable. Don't play yourself. If you don't have money to fix the machine, I'd wash, save until that time you're comfortable to call in a technician, than disposing a very good expensive washing machine. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.